it's Crafty Ria and welcome to another video. I am glad you are joining me today. I bet this looks familiar. I am drawing the third winner for the Halloween prize from my Fall Fest collab. The first two winners that I drew have not contacted me, so I am giving it a third try. I hope whoever wins today contacts me. Please, oh please, oh please. Okay, so I'll show you what the prize package was. Just to remind you, this cute little composition book. This book was from Jot from the Dollar Tree, and I recovered it. This cute little Halloween card with the googly eyes. And this cute little envelope flip book. I added a little bit of sparkle to the front, and there's some goodies inside, some die cuts, some tags, and a spider hanging out in there, and I really want to send him to you. And this page also has some goodies tucked inside, cute little witch and the black cat, and then the little skeleton on the back. I said skeleton, didn't I? I read in one of Terry Pratchett's books that they called them skeletons, and as a joke, I always call them that. So I really know it's a skeleton and not a skeleton. It just came out that way. Okay, so let's see who the lucky winner is. I saved all of the names, and they're all down, as you can see, in the bottom of this bag. And I'm going to go ahead and mix them up and pick one, and let's hope this person contacts me. And I will say the rules of the contest were you had to be 18 years of age or older, have a U.S. mailing address. You had to comment on my Fall Fest collab video, hashtag Halloween. I already gave the fall package away. That would have been hashtag fall. And this was for hashtag Halloween. And be a visible subscriber to my channel. So let me go ahead and pull out a name, and we'll see who it is today, who the winner is. Here is the name that I pulled out, and it is Zolia Rivera, or Zalia. I hope I'm not butchering your name too much. I think I have seen you around enough. I'm pretty sure you are a subscriber. I will check and make sure. Congratulations. I am so excited. You have until Monday, October 19th, to send me an email Monday night at 11:59 p.m. and my email address is tiggeria@gmail.com. And send me an email telling me you're the winner and leave me your name and address, and I will send this prize out to you. I have my fingers crossed that you contact me before Monday night, 11:59 p.m. Eastern, and I will get this sent out to you. If she does not contact me, I'm assuming it's a she, if she doesn't contact me by the end of the day Monday, then I will come back and draw another winner on Tuesday. But I hope I don't have to do that. If you know Zolia, please contact her and let her know she won so she can come on over. Leave me a comment below. Let me know you've seen the video, and then also email me your name and address. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Congratulations to the winner. Third time's a charm. Let's hope she contacts me. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do click that subscribe button and then the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And of course, you're notified then every time I pick a new winner. And I hope I don't have to pick any more. So there will be more giveaways. I'm actually planning on filming a video today that will be up in the near future that might just have a secret giveaway in it. So you'll want to watch the future videos and watch them all the way to the end. Alrighty, well, thanks again for watching. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.